Hello viewers, currently Flipkart Big Saving Days is running on flipkart.com, but unfortunately there is no good deal on tablets. So many users are actually upset with the price point Flipkart is offering. In this video, I will talk about the best price of some of the tablets that I have not mentioned in my previous videos. Many people want to buy Redmi Pad Pro 5G. Currently, this device is selling at a price point of 25,000 rupees, and after discount, you will get this device at around 24,000 for the 128GB version. But I don't think this is a good price for this tablet. During offers, you can buy this tablet at around 20 to 21,000 rupees. But I think compared to this tablet, you can also buy Poco Pad 5G. Actually, Poco Pad 5G is a very good tablet considering the price point. The best price for Poco Pad 5G is 17,000 rupees. However, you can stretch your budget up to 18,000 for this tablet. If you want to buy OnePlus Pad 2, in that case, the best price for OnePlus Pad 2 is 33,000 rupees for the 128GB version, and if you want to buy the 256GB version, in that case the best price would be around 35 to 36,000 rupees. If you want to buy iPad Air 5th generation, in that case the best price for the 64GB version is 41 to 42,000 rupees, but I will suggest you to buy the 128GB version because that will give you more storage, and storage would be an issue in iPad Air 5th generation if you buy the 64GB version. The price of 128GB would be around 46 to 48,000 rupees. Next, if you want to buy a tablet under rupees 15,000, and that will be Samsung tablets, in that case there are two options. The first option is Tab S6 Lite, which is a very old tablet, but you will get S Pen in the box to get a very good note-taking experience. Also, you can consider Tab A9 Plus. That will be under 14,000 rupees during offers. And if your budget is around 20,000 rupees, in that case, you can buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE during offers. Currently, the price of this tablet is on the higher side, so I will not recommend you to buy this tablet right now. Wait for the right offers. Now, many users will ask me when this offer will come, when they can get the best discounts on tablets. Actually, there is no surety that you will get the best discounts in that sale, but there is a possibility that you can get a very good deal in Republic Day sale that may start towards 20th of January 2025. Under rupees 20,000, you can also buy MI Pad 6. The best price for the 128GB version is under 20,000 rupees, and this is actually a very good tablet with Snapdragon 870 processor. So these are some best tablets that you can buy under various budgets. Now you have to select your priorities, what type of work you want to do on your tablet, and then decide which tablet is best for you. Now let me know in the comment sections below which tablet you are going to buy in the upcoming sale, and what will be the price that you are ready to give for a tablet. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.